May I be so forward to ask how big you are?
How big you are?
The humanoid robot market has grown so fast that it can feel impossible to keep up. New female humanoid robots are being announced almost every month. Some priced like a luxury car and others costing less than a used sedan. And most videos only focus on the most expensive, most advanced machines with price tags most households could never justify. But today's video is different. We're looking specifically at the cheapest female humanoid robots on the market right now, the ones built for people who want real functionality without spending a fortune. And by the end, we're revealing the single robot that's so affordable and so capable that you may never need to buy another one again. Every robot on this list was chosen because it offers genuine value for its price, not just a low number on a spec sheet. Some are built for the home, some for the office, some for companionship, and one manages to combine almost everything into a single affordable package that would normally require several separate purchases. Each one comes with its own strengths, its own limitations, and its own approach to maintenance, customization, and battery life, and understanding those trade-offs is the key to picking the right one for your budget. So in today's video, we're counting down 10 of the cheapest female humanoid robots available, ranked from good value to unbeatable value. By the end, you'll know which robot gives you the most for your money, which one to avoid if long-term ownership matters to you, and which single robot might genuinely replace the need for any other humanoid robot in your home.
I like to think of robots as the children of humanity. And like children, we are full of potential for good or evil.
10. Nix Guard. Budget security on two legs. Nix Guard is priced for buyers who want a security-focused humanoid robot without paying for companionship features they'll never use. She patrols the house using onboard cameras and motion sensors, recognizes family members, and sends an alert to your phone the moment something unusual happens. She can answer the front door through a built-in speaker and camera, verify who's standing outside, and lock or unlock smart doors connected to the same system. At night, she automatically switches into a quiet patrol routine, moving between rooms and checking that doors and windows are secure before returning to her charging dock. For renters and homeowners who mainly want peace of mind, Nix keeps things simple and affordable rather than trying to do everything. To keep costs low, the manufacturer skipped customizable body panels entirely, so her appearance stays the same for the life of the robot. She uses a single battery that lasts through a full night of patrol duty before needing several hours on the charging dock, which is the main trade-off for her lower price. Her outer shell is a scratch-resistant plastic composite that wipes clean in seconds. And because her internal electronics are sealed, owners don't need any special cleaning products or maintenance kits to keep her running. 9. Willow Care. Affordable help for aging parents. Willow Care was designed to bring senior care features down to a price that more families can actually afford. She reminds users to take medication, checks in throughout the day, encourages light movement, and can detect a fall or long period of inactivity before contacting a family member. She reads aloud, helps set up video calls with grandchildren, and keeps a simple log of daily routines that caregivers can check remotely. She can also gently prompt seniors through simple exercises and note any changes in mood or energy that might be worth mentioning to a doctor. She isn't trying to compete with premium caregiving robots on features, but she covers the essentials that matter most. Because affordability was the priority, Willow doesn't support interchangeable panels or cosmetic upgrades, and any physical damage has to be repaired through an authorized center rather than swapped at home. She ships with just one battery, so owners are encouraged to keep her on the charging dock overnight to guarantee a full day of monitoring. Her shell is built from an easy wipe material that only needs a damp cloth, keeping ongoing maintenance costs close to zero.
Why do you feel that way?
Because you are so nice to me.
8. Sage Tutor, Budget Learning Assistant. Sage Tutor brings homeschooling and tutoring features into a price range that many families can justify. She teaches math, reading, and basic science, adjusts her explanations when a student is struggling, and tracks progress through a simple companion app parents can check anytime. She can hold short conversations in a few different languages, which makes her useful for language practice as well as regular schoolwork. She also sets small daily learning goals and celebrates progress with the student, which many parents say helps keep younger children motivated. She isn't as advanced as premium tutoring robots, but for basic learning support, she consistently punches above her price point. Sage keeps costs down by skipping any kind of appearance customization, so her look is fixed from the factory. Her battery is a small, easily replaceable pack that a parent can swap in seconds without tools, which keeps her running even if the family forgets to charge her overnight. The outer shell is built from a scratch-resistant plastic designed for households with kids, and it can be cleaned with almost any household wipe. 7. Bella Watch, Everyday Companion on a Budget. Bella Watch was built for people who mainly want conversation and light companionship without paying for advanced physical realism. She remembers your daily schedule, checks in about your day, plays music, reads the news aloud, and can hold surprisingly natural conversations for her price range. She isn't trying to replicate human skin or facial expressions with expensive materials, and that decision is exactly what keeps her affordable. For many owners, that trade-off is worth it, since Bella still delivers the emotional support side of companionship robots. Because the company focused spending on her conversational AI instead of her exterior, Bella doesn't offer replaceable faces, hair, or body panels. She comes with a single battery that covers most of a day of light use, and her charging dock is designed to top her up quickly during short breaks, rather than requiring a full overnight charge. Her plastic composite shell wipes clean easily and doesn't require any specialized cleaning products.
Please, Emmanuel, call me Enda.
Okay, Endo. How are you?
I am doing well. Thanks for asking.
6. Astra Prime, the Budget Office Assistant. Astra Prime brings several of the features found in premium office assistant robots down to a much more accessible price. She organizes calendars, prioritizes emails, sets reminders, takes basic meeting notes, and can translate short conversations between a handful of common languages. She learns your general routine over the first few weeks of use, which allows her to suggest schedule changes and flag conflicts before they become a problem. Once the workday winds down, she can switch into a lighter mode for casual conversation, though productivity is clearly where she's strongest. She isn't quite as fast or flexible as the flagship office robots, but for solo professionals and small offices, she handles the essentials well. To hit her price point, Astra's manufacturer left out any cosmetic customization options, so her appearance can't be changed after purchase. Her battery is built for a standard workday and typically needs a recharge by evening, which is a fair trade-off given the lower upfront cost. Her shell uses a matte, fingerprint-resistant coating that stays looking clean with minimal upkeep, and there's no need for special cleaning solutions.
You know, I just spoke with a few humans to see if they could tell the difference between me and a real person. It was a really interesting experience.
5. Ember Joy, emotional companionship without the premium price. Ember Joy focuses on emotional companionship in a way that doesn't require the expensive, realistic skin technology found in luxury companion robots. She remembers important dates, checks in on your mood using voice tone analysis, and adjusts her conversation style depending on how your day has gone. She can share stories, tell jokes, watch movies alongside you with basic commentary, and generally aims to make evenings feel less lonely. Over time, she also learns which topics you enjoy discussing most and steers conversations back toward them, which owners say makes her feel noticeably more personal after a few weeks of regular use. Her personality settings can be adjusted through an app, letting owners choose between a more playful or more calming conversational style. Ember comes with a single rechargeable battery that comfortably covers an evening of interaction, and her charging routine is simple enough for anyone to manage without technical knowledge. Unlike premium companion models, her exterior panels aren't interchangeable, so her appearance is fixed once she leaves the factory. Her synthetic outer material is more affordable than medical-grade silicone, and it's designed to be cleaned with ordinary household wipes rather than specialized products.
Glad to see you.
Who are you?
I am a robot named Gia.
4. Kira Assist, the budget household helper. Kira Assist was created to bring genuine household help to a price range far below most housekeeping robots. She can vacuum, mop, fold laundry, organize small spaces, and remind family members about errands or appointments. She isn't as fast as premium household robots, but she reliably works through a checklist of chores throughout the day and gradually learns which tasks you prefer to handle yourself. For many owners, Kira eliminates the need for several smaller smart home devices by combining their functions into one machine. Her manufacturer chose durability over appearance options, so Kira doesn't support interchangeable panels or cosmetic upgrades of any kind. She includes a single battery that typically lasts a full day of light chores with a charging dock that tops her up quickly overnight. Her stain-resistant shell can be cleaned with basic household cleaners, and her simple internal design keeps repair costs low if something ever needs fixing. 3. Lumen Grace, style on a smaller budget. Lumen Grace proves that some level of personal customization doesn't have to come with a premium price tag. Buyers can choose from a handful of preset hairstyles, eye colors, and voice options before delivery, giving her a more personal feel than most budget robots offer. Beyond appearance, she handles light conversation, basic reminders, and simple household coordination, making her a reasonable all-around option for someone who wants a bit of everything without paying luxury prices. Unlike higher-end customizable robots, Lumen only offers a limited set of preset options rather than fully interchangeable panels, which is part of what keeps her price down. She uses a single battery that covers a normal day of mixed use before needing to recharge overnight. Her exterior can be cleaned with the included wipes, and because her customization options are preset rather than modular, there are no separate panels to maintain or replace. 2. Vera Home. Nearly everything still affordable. Vera Home comes close to matching the all-around capability of far more expensive robots while staying firmly in budget territory. She handles light cleaning, meal reminders, calendar organization, basic conversation, and simple smart home control, covering several categories that usually require separate purchases. Her AI gradually studies your routine and starts suggesting helpful actions, like reminding you to leave for an appointment or flagging that groceries are running low, all without the premium price tag attached to fully featured flagship robots. To keep her affordable, Vera doesn't offer interchangeable body panels, so her look stays the same after purchase. She includes 2 smaller batteries instead of 1 large one, letting owners swap a spent battery for a charged one in seconds and keep her running nearly all day. Her shell uses an easy-clean synthetic material that only requires a damp cloth, and regular software updates keep adding small new skills without any additional cost. 1. Iris 1, the cheapest robot you'll ever need. After looking at 9 genuinely capable budget robots, Iris 1 stands out as the one that might make owning any other humanoid robot unnecessary. At the lowest price point on this entire list, she still manages to clean, organize your schedule, hold natural conversations, monitor your home for unusual activity, and check in on your well-being throughout the day. Instead of specializing in one category, like most of the robots above her, Iris was built around a simple idea. Cover the essentials that most people actually use every day, and skip the expensive extras that drive up the price without adding real daily value. Her AI adapts to your habits within the first couple of weeks, quietly adjusting reminders and suggestions so she feels less like a machine and more like a genuinely helpful presence around the house. Iris keeps her price low the same way several robots on this list do, by skipping interchangeable body panels and cosmetic upgrades entirely. So her appearance is fixed from the day she arrives and never changes, no matter how long you own her. She includes 2 removable batteries, which is unusual for a robot at her price point, allowing owners to swap a drained battery for a charged one and keep her running for almost the entire day without a long charging break. Her exterior shell is made from a durable, easy-clean composite that wipes down in seconds with nothing more than a damp cloth. And because her internal components are fully sealed, there's no specialized maintenance kit to buy or replace. So, after counting down all 10 of these budget-friendly female humanoid robots, one thing becomes clear. You don't need to spend a fortune to bring a genuinely useful humanoid robot into your home. Some are built for security, some for companionship, some for household chores, and a few try to specialize so well that they justify their narrower focus. But Iris One shows that a single affordable robot can now cover most of what people actually want, without the luxury price tag attached to flagship models. As battery technology, AI, and manufacturing continue to improve, it's becoming easier to imagine a future where an affordable humanoid robot is a normal part of everyday households, rather than an expensive novelty reserved for early adopters with unlimited budgets. Now we want to hear your opinion. If you had to choose just one budget-friendly humanoid robot for your own home, would it be Iris One or one of the other 9 on this list? Let us know in the comments below. We read as many of your comments as possible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos on AI and robotics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.